Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to check battery draining apps on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to check the battery draining apps empowers you to take control of your device's battery usage, optimize performance, and ensure a better user experience. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, enter to the settings menu on your device. Okay, next you can scroll down and select battery option. Well, so here scroll a little bit and you will find the battery draining apps here. And click view details to find out more information. Well, that's the tutorial on how to check battery draining apps on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.